Good morning, my peaches. It is 7:30 a.m. right now, and I woke up very early. I do not always wake up this early, but I slept exceptionally early last night. Like I think around 9:30, I was in bed and I slept. So I'm early today, and I think let's start the day early. And I'm going to start off with Surya Namaskar because I've recently started doing it. The first time I did it, I did around 70. Let's see how far I can go this time. And yeah, it's just a beautiful Saturday morning. Everyone else in the house is sleeping, so I just want to start off with some workout because I'm early and I do not, urge to eat right now. That's why. Let's get started on this day. And also, the reason for vlogging today is because I'm going to pack your giveaways. So I thought let's get you on this along with me, and let's see how the day goes and what we cook and eat and all of that. And yes, every single day after waking up, I come and visit my plants and I just see what's the progress in them, because I am trying hydroponic these days and I'm just starting off on it. It's like, look at this coriander and some garlic and some spring onions. I'm trying to grow this tulsi in here, but it's not going that successful, so I'm gonna remove it from here. And I'm also trying to do some palak, spinach and some lettuce. They are still sprouting. I think this patch has gone bad, so I'm trying to do some hydroponic. I'm very new to hydroponic. I'm still experimenting. It's not like that I am a pro at it. I'm just trying to do things. So yeah, that's that, and let's get started with the workout. I could do just 40 today, and Surya Namaskar actually takes a toll on your knees, so I'm trying not to overdo it basically. And Adi has woken up. Adi, say good morning. Yeah. So I'm gonna prepare breakfast now. I have planned methi ke parathe for today because we have methi in the fridge, and methi ke parathe is like a favorite thing of ours. So it's Saturday and it's got to be parathas. Let's get started on breakfast. The dishes are still to be done. I got a little lazy last night, and because it was Saturday today, so I thought let's just leave it for tonight and let's just. Also, I was very tired. I don't know, for some reason I told you I slept at 9:30, so I did not have the energy at all to do anything. So yes, that is why I did not do anything last night and I slept, and I'm gonna do a lot of work this morning. I also set some curd last night and it's just looking perfect, guys. Let me tell you, it has been more than a year that I have not bought curd from outside or packaged curd. I always set my own curd at home.
Guys, so done with the breakfast and I have to set the house. It is a mess right now and I have to change the bed sheets today. We are expecting 2 deliveries. One, I told you that we are having a furniture storage piece and also probably a dishwasher as well. So we are getting a delivery of that today. So before that happens, I need to set the house. I always cook before taking bath. So I have to do all of that before I receive those deliveries, and I need to finish off the work before I get onto the packing giveaway thing. I'm done with kitchen cleaning, and what I'm doing now is making lunch and then I will take bath. So I need to finish up the cooking and then I will go take bath. Okay guys, I'm done taking shower. The time right now is 2:30 p.m. We are going to have lunch now. And this hair wrap, I got this one from MINISO and it comes in so handy when you do not have the time to dry out your hair and you have to do something right after taking bath. So it comes in very handy at that time. Let me show you my smell good combo of the day. So this is what I'm wearing in my armpits. This is the Plum Body Loving Deodorizing Pit Cream in Vanilla Vibes, and I am loving this one. I have finished up so much of this. I'll probably have to buy a new one very soon. Then on my skin, I have rich cocoa butter from Himalaya. Honestly, I've tried so many creams, so many, but this is something that is really working for me for winter times because I have skin like drought. So I need something very hydrating, and it just does the perfect kind of moisturization for me. Then as a body mist, I have used Vanilla Bean NEOL. I have ordered another one in this, which is non-shimmery, because you're not always in a mood of shimmer, and I want to back up this one because this is a smaller, this is a lesser quantity packaging, so I want to back up this one. I love this one. Then finally for my perfume, I have Black Amber from Zara. Beautiful vanilla, passion fruit, white floral fragrance. So this is pretty much my combo of the day for smelling good. Now let's go on and eat something. Okay guys, the time is 6 p.m. and Ankur and Adi have gone to pick up the storage box that we ordered. Basically, we gave an order to a local carpenter and that's why he personally has to go and get it picked up. In the meanwhile, I am going to pack your giveaways. So all of them are kept right here. I'm going to get some boxes. I've been saving on the Amazon boxes that we get in deliveries to pack these up. And also let me show you there is a a little bit of a disappointment in here. I took a printout and there is something wrong with the ink. It is showing that it has ink, but still the print has came out very light. I don't know what's the issue, so probably we'll have to change the ink, but I do not have the time for that, so I'm gonna send these to you guys. Like, I put a personal card in there in every giveaway. I just like that personal touch in my giveaways, so I'm gonna personally sign them and I'm gonna send these off to you, and I'm gonna pack these giveaway items here. And I think it is going to be a prolonged vlog, because I'm getting this idea that let's include the whole shipping part and going to the post office, because I sent through post office. Reason being, post office delivers in every area out there. There is just no area that post office does not cover. So for that reason, I sent through India Post, and I thought let's include everything in it. So it is going to be a prolonged, like a little long sort of vlog, maybe like a weekend with me sort of vlog. It's not going to end with this day. So you will see a bit of clippings of everything here and there. And this won't be like starting off the day and then the end of the day. It'll be like a very random weekend, or maybe like 2-3 days compiled in a day sort of vlog. So let's get started on packing the giveaways. I love giving some personal touch and some special touch to all the giveaways that I send, and I just love adding some, you know, special things to it. And honestly, it breaks my heart when somebody calls my giveaway a fake giveaway, or when somebody says that it's not genuine, because you guys know that we don't know each other and we have connected through our YouTube channel. And it's just incredible that how connected and how loved I feel through you guys and to you guys. And I know what this giveaway means to me, and I guess even you know what this giveaway means to you guys. Meanwhile, when I was packing the giveaways, the dishwasher has come. I have not unpacked it. I'm waiting for Ankur to come home so that he deals with the whole thing of unpacking it and keeping it in the kitchen. So I'm gonna just put all the utensils in the cupboards and prep the kitchen to keep this thing over there. Adi, take off your mask, baby. Hey you guys, this is a Monday morning and I have sent your giveaways. Actually, I was planning to go on my own, but then Ankur offered that he's anyways going to office and he'll drop them to the post office. So I have sent them off, and yesterday I did not log in because I was having a very rough Sunday. I could not sleep on the Saturday night because I had half a cup of tea. I told you caffeine really messes it up for me. So I had half cup of tea and I couldn't sleep all night. Then the next day was not, because you know I just cannot lay off my responsibilities just in case I'm unable to sleep. So I do all the work that I'm supposed to do even on that day. and I did not get enough sleep the entire day. I tried sleeping in the afternoon, but then that did not happen. So yeah, I had pretty good sleep last night and I'm pretty fresh this morning. Let me just show you the lipstick that is on my lips, because these things I cannot share with you guys in the perfume videos very often. So this is the Kiko Milano lipstick, and let me show you the shade on this. Like this beautiful, I'm trying my level best, okay, this coralish watermelony red sort of shade, and it gives such a beautiful color to the lips. I really like this is one lipstick you will always find in my bag, and I always carry it because I just feel that this instantly makes the lips so beautiful. So this shade goes really well on my skin tone, and it feels more like a lip balm. It is so beautiful. The pigmentation is so good. It's not getting enough hype, I feel, or maybe the people I watch have not tried it. So I just wanted to put it out there that this is a beautiful lipstick and you definitely should try it if you're looking for something that hydrates the lips. Definitely it's a bullet lipstick. It's not gonna like stay on, but it leaves the pigmentation behind, so that's a great thing about it. I will leave a link for this down below. I think it's very much available on Nykaa. I'll find it for you and I will leave a link for you. Also, let me show you the dishwasher where we have kept it, because I couldn't show you anything at all yesterday. And guys, this is where we have kept the dishwasher. It was initially we planned that we will keep it here in this section, but that did not work out because this cupboard was getting blocked and it was not opening, and this is a very important cupboard for me because I have all my storage boxes and my dinner set over here. So it's kind of breaking the kitchen in between now, but I do not mind it, because if I would have kept it here, this area would have got blocked completely and I would not have liked it, because this is my chopping and washing area, washing the veggies and all. So I would have been standing here, which would have been a little inconvenient. So I'm pretty happy with the dishwasher being fitted here, and this is what it is like from the inside. The installation guy has not come yet, and it has a lot of space inside, guys. I was actually thinking it's going to be very small, but it's not. It has a lot of space inside. It will do all the dishes for me for the entire day, I think, in just one round. This is it for today's vlog, guys. Tell me your favorite part of the vlog. Also tell me, like, this will, oh, somebody's at the door, so this will give me more motivation to do more vlogs. So do let me know in the comments below your favorite part, or whether I should do more vlogs. Do let me know in the comment section below, and thank you for all the love, guys. Have a great day. Keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good, and have a great day all. Mwah.